Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm going to be showing you how you can save pictures from Pinterest. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is launch your Pinterest app. Now, find the pin or the image that you want to save to your device. Let's say I want to save this picture which says riddles. You know, if I want to keep it on my device for future reference, I can just click on these three dots at the top right section and click on Download Image. You will be given a pop-up that says Image Downloaded. So, let's go ahead and check if we have it downloaded on our device. And there you are, we have this image successfully downloaded to our device. In this way, you can find all the inspiration or ideas that you are looking for and either save it on your device or save as a pin in Pinterest itself. Now you know how to save pictures from Pinterest with much ease. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding saving pictures from Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.